Recently, a pop-up message has appeared on the Binance app, recommending the use of an anti-phishing code. By enabling this feature, it becomes easier to identify phishing emails. If the code does not appear or shows the wrong code, it might be a scam. Once activated, any legitimate email or message from Binance will include your personalized anti-phishing code. Let's see how to activate your anti-phishing code. First, open your Binance app. If a pop-up message like this appears, click the Activate Now button. If it doesn't appear, click the message icon at the top. Then go to Campaign. Click on this banner. Tap on the Create Anti-Phishing Code button. It says, please enter 6 to 8 characters, including at least 3 of the following types: uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, and underscores. That means you need to enter a 6 to 8 character code that includes at least 3 of these character types. You can write any code that you can easily remember. For example, here I've entered a code I can recall easily. For security reasons, I've blurred the last 2 characters. If everything looks fine, click the Submit button. If you want, you can click here to change it later. How can you manually enable the anti-phishing code? Let's find out. First, click on the More icon, then search for Security. If you don't see any option for anti-phishing code there, click the search icon again and search for Verify. The Binance URL or link will appear at the top. Copy it and verify whether it's correct. Then go to the Binance website. Click the Menu icon at the top and log into your Binance account. Click the drop-down arrow beside Dashboard. Click on Account, then go to Security. You'll see it shows that I've already used anti-phishing code. Now scroll down a bit. You will see the option for anti-phishing code here. From here, you can update or change your anti-phishing code if you wish. Before ending the video, let's see the usage of the anti-phishing code. Sometimes, Binance's website may ask you to verify your email and phone number. If your anti-phishing code is displayed correctly, you can be sure that the request is real. Also, from now on, if Binance sends you any messages or emails, you can check your anti-phishing code before taking any action. For this reason, do not share your anti-phishing code with anyone, and it is recommended to update or change your anti-phishing code at least once a month. Thank you for watching the video.